Do you sometimes experience low FPS or lag while playing video games? This may be because your RAM is full, or you don't have enough memory available to run Windows background processes and your game at the same time. To temporarily solve this issue, I'll show you a simple trick to free up some RAM and potentially make your games run more smoothly. To do this, we need to open any available browser and search for RAM map. Then, click on the first link in the list, the one from Microsoft. Now, download RAM map and save it to your desktop or somewhere you can access it quickly. Open the downloaded archive and run the program. In my case, the file is RAMmap64. This depends on your Windows architecture. If you have a 32-bit version of Windows, open RAM map instead. After opening the program, open Task Manager at the same time, either by searching for it in the Start menu or by right-clicking the Start button. Then, go to the Performance tab to see how much RAM is currently being used. Now, go back to RAM map, click Empty in the top menu, and select Empty Standby List. As you can see in the bottom left corner, my cached memory has dropped from around 4 GB to just 140 MB. I hope this trick helps you guys. Keep in mind that this is not a permanent solution to your problem. It is only a temporary fix. If you're constantly running out of RAM, you should consider upgrading your PC in the near future. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also check us out at fpsforge.gg.